We have recently added a new feature into Autocat which will allow users to connect to the backup server manually. You may want to do this in cases where your connection to the primary server appears to be slower than usual or you're experiencing disruption to your service. This can also be used to help identify if a connection issue is possibly local to your site. In order to manually switch your catalogue from the primary to the backup server, all you need to do is hit F12 on the keyboard and then click the Connect to Backup Server. A prompt will then appear on the screen. Answer yes to confirm that you would like to connect to the backup server. Once connected, an additional message will appear at the top of your Autocat screen, surrounded by stars. It's informing you that you are indeed connected to the backup server, followed by the words check interval, and then a countdown shown in minutes. When you switch to the backup server, Autocat will pick a random duration between 5 and 30 minutes before it checks again to see if the primary server is available. When you are using the backup server, you will not have access to accessories or consumable catalogues, and you will not be able to modify any params, as access to the params and report screen is disabled. When the minute timer reaches 0, Autocat will check that the primary server is available. If there is a connection available, you will be informed by a pop-up message which will advise you that Autocat will quit and that you should reload in order to connect to the primary server. The backup servers themselves are updated each night, so let's say that you made some changes to your preferred supplier in the morning. If later that day you found yourself on the backup server, those changes wouldn't be in effect. Thanks for watching. I do hope you found this short tutorial useful. If you would like to be kept up to date with the ongoing developments at MAM Software, then please follow us on social media, YouTube and our community portal.